20 Best Quotes to Win Her Back. Winning her heart back after a breakup can be challenging, but the right words can help express your regret, love, and desire to start fresh. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 20 simple yet heartfelt quotes to help you convey your emotions and rebuild the connection. 1. In your absence, I've discovered how much you mean to me. Come back, and let's rebuild what we once had. 2. If I could turn back time, I would have loved you better, more tenderly, and more patiently. 3. You are the piece of my heart that I didn't realize I was missing until you were gone. 4. My love for you hasn't faded, it has only grown stronger in your absence. 5. I'm sorry for all the ways I didn't meet your needs. Let me try again, this time with my whole heart. 6. No matter how many sunsets I watch, they're never as beautiful without you by my side. 7. Our love story isn't over, I'm just waiting for the right chapter to begin again. 8. I now understand that love is not just about words, but about actions. Let me prove my love for you. 9. I miss the way you made everything in life seem more beautiful. 10. My heart still calls out to you, and I can only hope that yours is still listening. 11. Distance can't erase the love I feel for you. I'm ready to close the gap and start again. 12. You taught me what true love feels like, and I'm willing to fight for it with everything I have. 13. If I had known how much losing you would hurt, I would have held on tighter. 14. You were always the better half of me, and without you, I'm just incomplete. 15. I didn't realize what I had until it was gone. Please let me show you how much I've grown since then. 16. I made mistakes, but losing you was the biggest. Please give me the chance to make it right. 17. No amount of time will diminish the love I carry for you in my heart. 18. I never wanted to be the reason for your tears, only your laughter. I'm sorry for the pain I caused. 19. I know I'm not perfect, but my love for you is unconditional. Can we start again? 20. If love is about finding the one, I found her in you. I just hope you'll let me be the one for you again. These quotes are a starting point, but winning her back requires sincerity and actions to back up your words. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.